Here I have KIANO Elegance 4.0 and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Let me go back, let's choose settings as I said. Scroll down and under personal tab you should find backup and reset. So let's choose backup and reset. Let's enable backup my data feature. So let's use the switcher, and right now you need to set the backup account. So let's choose backup account. If you have added some Google account, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The device is checking info. Of course, it's important to have internet connection. And now you have to add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that link, or you can use an existing one. So in my case, let me use an existing one. Let's input an email. Let me allow keyboard in my case, and let me finish inputting my email. Excellent, choose next, tap next. It's time to enter a password. Just wait a few seconds. Let's select next right here. Let's accept terms of service and privacy policy. Here we've got some Google services. You can enable backup device data automatically. Let me leave it enabled. Let's choose next. And that's it. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.